guys, I starting my engine after suffering a lot of time. These things never ever was stable like this. Never ever. I have to change the throttle body, the air mass sensor, and these things get so much shaking before, so much shaking, and now I did the smoke test last time, and they have a little leaks here in the AGR or whatever name, and it was there too. Man, I am so happy. I just starting now the engine, and I have suffering a lot of months looking, but without good test. Now my machine is quiet. Could be more quiet, but this was like this all the time. Now I have to fix only the mass sensor, but these things, it's blessed, man. Thanks God. Oh, my baby, it's back again. I of course changed the air filter, the spark plugs, the wire for spark plugs, the distributor, both side, inside, the plastic, the cover, the inside cover, all things. And I change oil filter, I change the crank sensor, I change this temperature sensor, I changed this one, the blue one. This one I have to buy, or I have to fix the socket for it's hard to coming down for them. And in Stockholm we don't have the gasket for this. I ordered one from FCB Euro in America or something. Yeah, so now it's very good. This is acceptable. It's not like 2000, it's not like 99 or 93. But this is okay. This is okay. This is okay. I watch all YouTubes. I watch all videos. 1.5 years. I just watch and change things. Oh, it's done. Watching the battle. It stays like this. My baby. Don't suffering anymore. Man, how could be this? Wow. Wow. Very beautiful. Everyone, please do the smoke test. These cars can have a problem, and I find one leaks on the canister there inside. It was one pipe what was shared 5 parts. I changed it already, and I changed the vent valve inside. Before I had problem with when I opened the tank, some ears go, I don't know, some sound. Yeah, now too. Fine. I have to put benzene.